If you want to know exactly how accessible your website really is, this tutorial is for you. Today I'll show you how to use Accessify.app to scan your website, identify accessibility issues, and understand exactly what needs to be fixed. We'll cover single-page scans, bulk website audits, issue severity levels, detailed WCAG recommendations, and how to export professional accessibility reports. Let's get started.
After logging into Accessify app, you'll arrive at the dashboard. Open the sidebar and select Accessibility Audit. At the top of the page, you'll find two helpful resources: the Audit Guide, which explains how the scanning process works, and the Fix Guide, which helps you understand and resolve accessibility issues identified during the audit. Next, choose the website you want to scan. Accessify supports auditing individual pages or your entire website. Here, you'll see every page discovered on your site along with its current status, including pending, scanning, completed, or failed. Let's start by scanning a single page. Select the page and click Scan. Once the scan is complete, open the results to review the accessibility report. The report organizes issues by severity using color indicators. Blue represents informational items, yellow highlights low-impact issues, orange indicates medium-impact issues, and red identifies critical accessibility problems that should be addressed first. Select any issue to view its complete details. For example, this document title issue includes an overview explaining why the problem affects accessibility, a list of detected instances, the affected HTML selector, and a recommended solution to help resolve it. Accessify also provides the related code reference, making it easier for developers to locate and fix the issue. Recommendations follow recognized WCAG accessibility guidelines, helping improve the overall accessibility of your website. You can review every detected issue in the same way, including document structure, heading hierarchy, CSS-related issues, forms, images, navigation, and other accessibility checks. Each issue includes an overview, affected elements, suggested fixes, and supporting code references. If you need to share the results, simply export the accessibility report for the current page. Now let's perform a bulk accessibility scan. Return to the page list, select multiple pages or choose Select All, then click Scan All. Accessify will begin scanning every selected page. Depending on the number of pages, this process may take a few minutes. During the scan, you can monitor the status of each page, including pages that are still processing, completed successfully, pending, or failed. Once the bulk scan finishes, open any page to review its detailed accessibility report. Each page displays its own accessibility findings, allowing you to inspect every issue individually and prioritize the most critical fixes first. You can also export a PDF accessibility report for any page, making it easy to share the results with your team or clients for review and implementation. If you ever need assistance, use the Audit Guide for step-by-step instructions or open the Fix Guide to understand recommended solutions for common accessibility issues.
That's how you can use Accessify.app to perform a complete accessibility audit and understand exactly what improvements your website needs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more website accessibility tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.